How to use heat shrink on trailer wiring. If you have a boat trailer, you know how important it is to keep the wiring in top shape. One effective method to ensure your connections are durable and watertight is using heat shrink tubing. Let's break down how to use heat shrink on trailer wiring step by step. First, let's talk about what heat shrink tubing is. This is a special plastic tubing that shrinks when heated. It serves to insulate and protect electrical connections, making them resistant to moisture and corrosion. This is especially important for trailer wiring, which often faces wet conditions. To get started, you will need a few tools. Gather heat shrink tubing in various sizes, a heat gun or a blowtorch, wire cutters, and a crimping tool. Having these items ready will make the process smoother. Now let's prepare the connection. First, make sure the wires are clean and free from any dirt or debris. This is crucial for a solid connection. Next, use the crimping tool to secure the wires into the connectors, like butt connectors or ring terminals. Once your connection is secure, it's time to apply the heat shrink tubing. Cut a piece of tubing that is slightly longer than the area you want to cover. Slide the tubing over the connection before you start heating it. This ensures that the tubing will cover the entire connection area once it shrinks down. For extra protection, you can add another layer of heat shrink tubing over the first one. This is a good idea in marine environments where moisture is a constant concern. Now let's heat the tubing. Using your heat gun or blowtorch, apply heat evenly around the tubing. Be careful not to use too much heat, as this can damage the insulation of the wires. Keep heating until the tubing shrinks tightly around the connection. After heating, let the tubing cool down. Once it is cool, inspect the connection to ensure it is watertight and secure. This step is important to confirm that your wiring is protected from the elements. Using heat shrink on trailer wiring is essential for maintaining reliable electrical connections. It helps prevent corrosion and ensures that your trailer's lights and other electrical components work properly in wet conditions. By following these steps, you can keep your trailer wiring secure and functional, giving you peace of mind when towing your boat.